Good morning. Today's my lecture topic is aircraft parts and its structures. An aircraft is a complex machine made up of various structural and functional parts. The fuselage is the central body of the aircraft. It holds the cockpit, passenger cabin, cargo space, and systems. The cockpit is where the pilots control the aircraft. It contains flight instruments, controls, and avionics systems. Avionics include communication, navigation, and flight management systems. The wings provide the lift necessary for flight. Wings are usually equipped with the flaps and ailerons. Flaps increase lift during takeoff and landing. Ailerons control the roll of the aircraft. The empennage is the tail section of the aircraft. It includes the horizontal stabilizer and vertical stabilizer. The horizontal stabilizer helps balance pitch. The vertical stabilizer provides directional stability. Attached to the stabilizers are the elevator and rudder. The elevator controls pitch, that is up and down movement. The rudder controls yaw, that is side to side movement. The landing gear supports the aircraft on the ground. It can be fixed or retractable. Most aircraft have tricycle type landing gear, that is two main and one nose gear. The engine provides thrust to move the aircraft forward. Aircraft can have piston engines, turboprops, or jet engines. Jet engines include turbofans, turbojets, and turboprops. The nozzle houses the engine and mounts it to the aircraft. The propeller in some aircraft converts engine power into thrust. The fuel system stores and delivers fuel to the engine. Tanks are usually located in the wings or fuselage. The hydraulic system provides brakes, flaps, gear, and flight controls. The electrical system powers lights, instruments, and avionics. The flight control system allows the pilot to maneuver the aircraft. The flight control system allows the pilot. It includes primary controls, that is elevator, LAR, and radar, and secondary controls. Spoilers help reduce lift and slow the aircraft down. Trim tabs adjust the natural position of control surfaces. The skin of the aircraft covers protects the internal structure, made from materials like aluminum, titanium, or composites. The internal structure includes frames, stringers, and bulkheads. Frames shape the fuselage cross section. Stringers run lengthwise and provide 50 stiffness. Bulkheads separate different sections and add strength. The spar is the main structural component of the wing. Ribs give the wing its shapes and distribute loads. Aircraft also have doors, windows, and emergency exits. The canopy is a transparent enclosure over the cockpit in some aircraft. The pilot tube measures airspeed during dynamic pressure. The static port provides static pressure for instruments. The antenna enables radio and satellite communication. The lights include navigation, landing, and further things. A pressurization system keeps cabin pressure at a safe level, because in aircraft while flying at high altitudes, the pressure is very important component. That's why the pressurization system keeps cabin pressure at a safe level. The environmental control system manages temperature and air quality. All these parts work together to enable safe and efficient flight. That's all. Thank you.